Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Bullock. If you're aiming to enhance your revenue, streamline your strategic planning, and elevate your content creation all within a single interface, then the Write For Me GPT is exactly what you need. Today, I'll demonstrate how this leading tool in the GPT Store can revolutionize your business approach. To access Write For Me, you'll need the paid version of ChatGPT, priced at $20. Now, here's how you can upgrade. First, browse your ChatGPT and look for Upgrade Your Plan on the left bottom corner of your screen. A pop-up will appear showing you different packages you can avail, whether you still want the free version, the pro version, or the team version. In this case, to access Write For Me GPT, we need to avail the pro version of ChatGPT. Now, when you click it, it will take you to a different page where you input your card details, address, and information, as usual, just like when you shop at Amazon. Now, when all are filled, click subscribe, and you can now enjoy the pro version of ChatGPT. With your upgrade complete, let's jump into the Write For Me interface. Let's start by using Write For Me to outline a business strategy that focuses on revenue generation. I'll show you how to create a content strategy that aligns perfectly with your goals. In here, I am generating a prompt in where the scenario is that I am a business owner of a cupcake store. I use the 5 essential steps in generating a prompt that can help you get accurate and spec-fit results depending on the situation. You can check that out on another video here in my channel for that. Now, as I create the prompt, I consider the location, the menu I have, and the target audience I want, as well as how much employees I have, so that the Write For Me GPT can also put those into consideration so that we can achieve full revenue gain and profit on our current situation. You can modify the prompt as time goes by to realign the strategy to the current situation of your business. Now, as I have read the generated response, I see interesting strategies such as product pricing, website making, and such, which I could use for content strategy. Now, observe how we can generate engaging, SEO-optimized content that's designed to attract and convert your target audience. Now, with the given response to me for a business strategy to use for my cupcake business, I want to create a list of things I can do for my business with the help of Write For Me GPT. Now, in the response, I noticed that it had mentioned the short-term, medium-term, and long-term plans for the business. Now, I want Write For Me GPT to specify these plans so that I can consider and apply this for my business. I want to try to apply the short-term, let's say, for a 30-day plan for the store. If long-term, well, that would be shocking if your business didn't change within months, isn't it? So I type a prompt for it and it generates plans for me and the short-term plans I can apply. I also make the GPT specify the surveys or social media plans for the store. Now from here, it is up to you on what parts of the response you want Write For Me GPT to specify or regenerate. Just notice how I copy-paste sections for the GPT to further elaborate. A common challenge for experts and entrepreneurs is creating content that drives sales. Write For Me simplifies this by providing tools that help you craft persuasive, impactful content. Similarly, we can funnel the strategy generated by the GPT to focus on sales revenue and increasing customer engagement. As you can see here, I just copy and paste the strategy, then add a prompt to make it focused on sales revenue and profit. Finally, let's customize Write For Me to reflect your unique style and business needs, ensuring your content resonates with your audience and effectively communicates your value proposition. To do this, we must apply considerations in our prompts for Write For Me GPT to align the responses in a unique way. You need to define the style, tone, and any specific elements you want in your content. Do you want it formal or casual? Should it include humor, any technical jargon? You can also experiment with different prompt structures. Different structures can yield different types of responses. Experiment with various prompt formats to see which best guides the AI to meet your needs. Start using Write For Me today to enhance your strategic planning and revenue generation efforts. It's time to elevate your content and business success with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching. Unlock the full potential of Write For Me and transform your approach to business. Get started now and make your content work for you.